Our next letter is dal. Da, da, dal. Daisy, dal, da, da. There are three forms of dal. And here we see it at the beginning of the word. It does not connect with anything. In the middle of the word, it connects with something, as we see from this line over here. And at the end of the word, it also connects with something. All right. But it also can be found in its initial form, actually, at the end of the word. But it depends on what letter is next to it. And we'll go over that when we actually start reading. All right. It looks like I've given you an example right here. So let us look at some examples for dal. Here we see dal at the beginning of the word. Deek, deek, deek. Deek means rooster. Deek. Here we see dal in the middle of the word. كرة القدم. كرة القدم. كرة القدم. قدم. كرة القدم means a soccer ball. And finally, in its final form, قرد. 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 Here we see the dal in its final form. And so again, you can have the dal in its final form connected to a letter, but you can also have it in the same exact way that you see the dal in the beginning of a word. And that is because the dal cannot connect with another letter from the end. So at the end, you can't connect dal with another letter because that actually just changes the whole letter to something else. All right. So keep that in mind. All right. So dal, dal, ديك, كرة القدم, قرد, قرد. Keep practicing.